Hey guys, good morning. It's Blessing here. Welcome back to the channel. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, please you guys don't wait to click on the icon that says subscribe so you'll be part of the family. For my returnees, welcome. So you guys, in today's video I went to model for my sister, my twin sister. I actually didn't go because I wanted to model. I just went to visit her at her studio and I was like, okay, come and do Gele for me now. Come and tie me Gele, so I can also get content from it. And I sat down and she began to create the magic on my head. So this is actually a rough video, like from beginning to the end. I don't want to do so much edit. I just want you guys to see the process from start to finish so you will understand how it's being done. I know the girl who videoed, he didn't really recorded it well. Like he didn't get the features really well. Like they don't understand this videoing thing now. I don't know if you get what I mean. So they didn't get to pick point, like video it properly, but I know you will still get some parts of it. So that was her doing the plating, like the pleating. Is it plate or pleating? Yeah, creating the stuff. And we're also having discussions. Obviously now it's my twin sister, so we have to always gist. So we're gisting while she was doing her thing. My sister is not yet perfect, but she's good at what she's doing. Nobody's perfect, do you get? So she's still going for the Gele classes, so it's also opportunity for her to use me as well. So that's her. And look, I don't know what we're saying, but we're just discussing. And Gele is not easy, honestly speaking. It's not easy. Ooh, like I said before, you guys, Gele is not easy. Like you that is also sitting for them to tie your hair is not easy. Like this thing is stressful. Your neck, they will just be turning your head. They'll be twisting your head the way they want. And this was her doing her thing, created the magic, you guys. There's no work that is easy. You just see them 10 minutes, they are done. But yeah, it's stressful. And I really enjoyed this process. Maybe because this time around I don't know, but I shall enjoy sitting for her to do this thing because it actually came out really nice. Oh my goodness, if you see the other videos, the one we did on our phone, you will love it. Like it's so cute, so beautiful. And this one is just me doing my YouTube content because why not if not? And she really tried, honestly speaking. She tried. She did magic. Yeah, she did magic. And it was at this point it was beginning to make sense. It was looking really good, yeah. And voila, this is the fan. My sister was saying, fan, they found me. Oh, this fan not easy. And funny enough, this was her first time doing this full ace. This is round ace Gele, like full side ace Gele. I don't know how they call it. There is the half one as there is the full one. So this is the full one and the all round. And she said she hasn't done this before, that she had tried doing it in the like the school, like where they learn. Several times she has tried it, but that it doesn't come out nice all the time. She tried,
but yeah, she did magic
studio where she learned.
Oh man, look at that! Came out really nice, came out cute, came out beautiful. Hey, I'll make such a beautiful bride too, because I shall not see on my wedding day. I go tag Gele now. Look at that, you guys. Look at this. Tell me this thing is not beautiful. Look at your favorite model. Come on, hire me to model for you. Like I'm beautiful. Makeup or no makeup, the skin is skinny, the skin is glowing. Like we are beautiful, you guys. And just take a good look at this. Is this not beautiful?
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watch up until this time, do you like the Gele? Did she try? Did she try? Is it beautiful? Would you want to try this? Would you love to? Are you in Benin? You want to model for my sister? You're free. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Please do well to patronize her. I will drop her number on the description box. She does makeup as well, decoration. So do well to patronize my sister. Look at your baby girl. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.